The prosthesis is delivered in its triangular box. For insertion of the MatriX prosthesis, we recommend to use the Kurz Steady Crimp forceps. Additionally, we recommend using a pair of tweezers. The prosthesis is secured with pins inside the recess of the box. Remove the prosthesis with your tweezers and place it into one of the small holes next to the recess in the triangular box. This will allow you to orientate the prosthesis so you can ideally position it for insertion. In this video, we are using the Kurz Steady Crimp, which has been specifically designed to provide an optimized crimping result in combination with the Kurz MatriX prosthesis. Use the crimping forceps to crimp the prosthesis around the incus and make sure the prosthesis encloses the incus securely but is not crimped too tightly. Kurz, middle ear intelligence for more than 30 years.